I finally got a black and white dunk. But it's the high top. Aww. It's okay though, man. Let me show you how I got it. So if you watch the channel, y'all know I've been trying to acquire a Panda, aka a black and white dunk, for almost a year now. I done brought my son a pair 4 times, guys. 4 times I acquired it for my son. But yet when it come to me, I just couldn't get a pair, man. Nike, the day that I won a sneaker pass, Nike actually had restocked on women's size, men's size, PS size, grade school size. And I couldn't even get it then. I did put a 9.5 in the cart and could have got the 9.5, but that's not my size. An hour later, they did a sneaker pass, which I never win. You probably never win. I don't think nobody never win. And luckily, I hit, guys. So enough talking. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Boom. So it's a Nike dunk. Nothing special, no characterization, no story behind it. So you're going to get this red regular Nike box along with the OG tissue paper. I'm fine with it. I just wanted the black and white Pandas, man. So it reads Nike Dunk High Retro, white, black. This is what caught my attention. Total orange. Now all we talk about the box, because I seen the sneakers. There's no orange in it. But total orange. Flip open the lid, and I don't see no orange. But we're going to start with the left shoe. Here we go, man. Black and white Panda highs. I'm going to do a 360. Y'all let me know if y'all see some total orange in here. Yeah, man. So, white and black, it's really not much to review. I love the color blocking, though. If it was reverse and the white was where the black is, the sneaker probably wouldn't be that popular, to be honest. So, where you place the color does match, even when it's something as simple as black and white. Now, looking at the leather, I've seen better leather. But this leather's not bad. It's not flimsy. It's not the best, though. But the leather's okay. No glue stains at all on my pair. That's what I liked. And it's just black and white, man. The leather does look a little bit premium, but I've seen better leather. So let's start with the toe box. You do have some bounce back. You see that? It does have some bounce back on the toe box. No tumbleness. Just your holes in that triangular diamond look shape. They go to black again. Around. Your swoosh is also black. That's in the inside and the outside. I don't know, guys, if y'all still keep your Jordan 1s inside the box. But if you keep your Jordan 1s in the box for a long time, it starts to get like them glittery on it. And this looks like it already has that glitter look, or is going to get that glitter look. That's what I do see from the leather on this black and white high retro. You come to the back, you got your thread in there. It makes it look like a composition notebook with the black and white. Black pull tab. Ankle leather is stiff. You see that? Stiff up top on the ankle support. Your tongue all white. Classic black and white Nike Dunk logo swoosh. The tongue is stiff too. White mesh tongue. Shoelaces is black. I'm still trying to find that total orange, but we ain't get that yet. Maybe the inside. Oh, here we go. I knew it. Regular tissue paper, guys. No shoe tree. If you look in the inside, though, get the light to focus. There go your total orange, guys. Right there. You see the Nike logo on the inside is orange. Your bottom, if you've seen one Jordan 1, one Nike Dunk, one Air Force 1, it's always going to be this bottom, guys. This doesn't change. Sometimes they play with the colors a little bit, but this rarely changes. That's all black on the Nike Dunk High. So besides that total orange, the whole sneaker is black and white, guys. Now comparing them to my son's Dunk Lows, the material seems to be the same. I don't know, because my son's is worn that the leather looks kind of better. You know, with certain Jordan 1s and certain Dunks, the more you wear them, the more they build character and customization. But one difference I do see between the high and the low is the tongue. If you look at the tongue here, it is black and white. And you look at the tongue on the highs, it is white and black. So that is one difference that I picked up. Of course, another difference is the back, but that's because it's a low and it's a high. The lows usually read Nike on the back, as the high never reads anything on the back. So that's the two differences I picked up off the bat. As far as the swoosh and the shoelaces, everything else adds up. Even the toe box and the bottom. Everything else adds up in the sneaker between the low and the high. In my opinion, if I missed anything, please point it out in the comment section below. Yeah, man, so I finally secured the bag on the black and white Dunks. And I think the only reason I went crazy on getting these is because I had the Jordan 1 one knees, one this, you know, the joints with the pony here. And I went like 2 years without wearing it. And one day I woke up and I just saw on StockX they were going for like $850. And I think at that time I was hunting for the Chunky Dunkies. So I sold them and I got the Chunky Dunkies. So I was like, dang, I had a black and white high top pair, but we got them, man. Let me know in the comment section below, did you get lucky on any of them Dunk restocks from last week? While I went to the Nike store, I didn't do too much recording because it was a long line out there, because the woman USC Dunks restock. So all the resellers was out there, and that's why I didn't really have the camera out for too long. But yeah, man, let me know how y'all feel about these. I know it's basic. But man, classic shoe, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.